Hey guys, what's happening? How to move photos from files to gallery on iPhone. So go ahead simply to your files, right, and look for the photo that you want to move. So let's have an example. Let me try to pin down a photo right here. Maybe I deleted some. Okay. Let me put a photo on my file. So I'm gonna click the shadow bottom left and save it to files. Right? I'm gonna save it in the iCloud. So now I'm gonna go back to my screen, go ahead to my files, right? And then I'm gonna go to the iCloud right here. I'm gonna see my photo, right? Go ahead and click the photo right here and double click and you get until you see that shared button at the bottom left. Hit it. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just hit save image to gallery, and after you click it, the image will be saved on your photos. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe.